Welcome to my review of Wallet by BudgetBakers. If you're looking for a personal finance app to help you manage your money, track your expenses, and stay on top of your financial goals, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll take you through my experience with the app and share my honest thoughts on what it offers. Wallet by BudgetBakers is a popular app that allows you to manage your finances with ease. It offers a variety of features that make it easy to track your spending, set budgets, and monitor your progress toward your financial goals. One of the first things you'll notice when you open the app is its clean and user-friendly interface. The dashboard is intuitive, and you can quickly access all the important features with just a few taps. The app allows you to link your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial accounts, so you can automatically import transactions. This is a great time saver and ensures that your data is always up to date. You can also categorize your expenses, making it easy to see where your money is going each month. Whether it's groceries, dining out, or entertainment, Wallet helps you stay organized. Another great feature of Wallet is its budgeting tools. You can set monthly budgets for different categories, and the app will track your spending to help you stay within your limits. If you're trying to save for a specific goal, Wallet lets you create custom savings goals and track your progress. This is perfect for those who want to save for a vacation, emergency fund, or big purchase. One of the standout features of Wallet is its real-time sync across multiple devices. Whether you're using your phone or tablet, your financial data is always up to date. This makes it easy to track your finances on the go and ensures that you never miss a transaction. Now, let's talk about security. Wallet by BudgetBakers takes security seriously. The app uses encryption to protect your data, and you can set up a PIN or biometric authentication for added protection. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your financial information is safe. Overall, Wallet by BudgetBakers is a fantastic app for managing your finances. Its user-friendly interface, powerful budgeting tools, and real-time syncing make it a top choice for anyone looking to stay on top of their money. Whether you're new to budgeting or a seasoned pro, Wallet has everything you need to take control of your finances. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews of personal finance tools and apps. Thanks for watching.